We were having this conversation about the increase in insider loan, which is currently leading to bad loans in the financial sector. What is your thought on this? Is this a criminal offense or it's a norm in the financial sector?
It will be criminal offense when you collect from the banks, you did not pay, you face the wrath of the or the wrath of any table. But
you also
I know. Let me continue. Great. You know, if you fail, but for me, insider lending is when you meet the required from the banks where you are either you're the director, there should be a limit. We are not encouraging, but where you work, you can't be working either in UBA as a director, you want to borrow money, you not go to Union Bank to go and borrow money. If you are working as Zenith Bank, you want to I believe that there should especially that they should cover and also follow the due diligence by the banks. And also for me, it's easier for them to have access to the people that are working with them. They are any salary for them to return. But when it goes the other way, that either you are not paying back, it not become a public thing, it's a problem. But if you are meeting up with your responsibility, you are paying back the loan after when due. For me, it's not a criminal thing.
What will you say, Ambrose, about insider loans being given to staffs and leadership, executive management team of a particular bank, whereas the main people who actually need this money, the small businesses, the manufacturing sectors, are getting this loan at a very exorbitant interest rate? What's your thoughts on this? Are the banks actually helping the sector to thrive, or they in other way killing it?
For me, the banks itself, they are there to make money, and letting to the public to generate your money. I believe that some part of their fund is what they are giving to their staff, and those staff are also paying interest, they're also making money for them. But I believe that in any environment where it is, and let's just be sincere, where you work, if your company is giving loan, they know that you work there, you earn a salary. They even give you more loan with confidence because they know that from your salary they can even deduct it easily. So what it does, my concern is that it is the rate they are giving. Yes. Because as we speak now, MPR is about 18.75. But then it depends. Also, don't forget that when you say we are collecting loan around either 23 or 28, it's inclusive of what your management fees, other fees that come. But for they that are working there, they might not have sort because they are within. But if they have sort, they must also negotiate. For me, it's not about it. Is when it goes sour. All right. And that is where I say it's a bad one. All right. Because I tell you, so those that are working for the bank, they also want to do other business.
It's actually going sour because it has really affected this insider loan issue, has really affected the closure of many banks that were leading before now. Dorian, what is your thought on insider loan? Do you see it as being criminal, or it's still the normal way where we play by the rules?
Once you make a disclosure, it is not a criminal offense, and you are permitted to take a loan.
All right. Now, there is this trending story. There's this trending report I actually got online, and it says here that Tony Elumelu of Hess Holding actually borrowed 41.8 billion naira from UBA at 15% interest rate, which is far lower than market interest rate. What is your thought on this? Is this not the kind of rules?
I thought on this first, what is the cost of the fund to the bank? If the cost of the fund to the bank, let's say is 10%, and he is paying a premium of 5%, it is okay. It is only become a criminal if he decided to pay himself by taking it below the cost. And I can assure you, if they have done the due diligence, he has all the necessary assets to back his loan, there is nothing wrong with it. Because even if an outsider who is taking that magnitude of the loan cannot be paying high rate. For anybody to take 20, not even 40 billion, cannot pay high rate. Go and see. We have seen the commercial bank by Dangote, we have seen the commercial bank by MTN, all of them they are coming at 14%. Tony is paying 15%. If 15% not higher than 14%, they are paying.
Some analysts are also of the view. Some analysts are also of the view that the giving of insider loans that are not being repaid, leading to bad loans, is what is leading to the deliquidation, or whatever the term may be, of the financial institution. Where is Aristos Akimbola of the then Intercontinental Bank? Where is Cecilia Ibru of Oceanic Bank? Where are all these banks now? How were they able to manage their insider loan to the extent that it does not affect the bank? At this point now, what kind of discipline should the Apex Bank be promoting to ensure that insider loan is well managed, not to lead to any form of instability in the financial sector? How would you manage these thoughts?
For many years, insider loans were being disclosed
Exactly.
to the financial of these banks. So check any bank, you will see that an insider loan is disclosed. So, but the case of the Ibero and Intercontinental,
Yes.
what were they paying as a dividend? Zero. Today, UBA paid an interim dividend of 50 kobo, which they have never done. So you cannot say that an insider loan has denied the bank from declaring a good profit and paying it to the shareholder. But where the company failed to pay the interim dividend, failed to pay a good final dividend, and yet heavy loaded with the insider dealing, you can see it as they are indirectly paying themselves, and the regulatory authority needs to interfere. But in this case, I do not see it that way.